Well, hey, hi family. It's great to have everybody here this weekend to celebrate Dad's last harvest. 45 years that he has done this, and you know, it's time to retire. When Rudolf Uhrig came from Switzerland and established this farm back in 1836, I don't think he could have dreamed this big. So we thank everyone, especially our kids, for making this farm what it is, for their tolerance growing up, for all the fun times that we had. So when you live on a farm, it's actually a family place, and we have no better family than you guys. Hey, what kind of day is it today, Dad? Hey, Ben.
Huh.
What kind of day is it today?
It's a very special day.
And why is that?
Well, it's the last harvest.
What?
This is the 45th harvest.
45th.
And last.
And last, is everybody here?
Everybody's here.
Everybody's here.
We have the grandkids and
Oh my gosh, are you guys sleeping?
we have a full harvest day ahead.
Me too.
And everybody gets to run the combine.
William, what are you eating?
You have perfected the hand scoop.
Yogurt.
I've seen him do this before.
William, how many spoons do you have?
I don't know.
You have at least one.
Yeah, there's one fork and one
There's one fork and
Do you
one
want to
spoon.
use your spoon?
But you know, he doesn't make much.
Getting ready for a photo. There you go.
When they're not all looking.
William, can you say hands up? Hey, Christian. All right, Sophia. Hands up, everybody. Hands up. Yay.
We go uppity up up. We go down down down.
It looks like you're harvesting, Christian.
Doing great, my man.
Oh, wow.
That's a good one.
Where you guys going?
We're going to the field for Family Harvest Day.
Hey, Christian, are you going to ride the combine? Yeah. Are you going to? Oh, you're going to drive it?
Yeah.
All right, guys, off we go.
Off we go.
Have fun. Good luck combining, Grandpa. Wait, oh, jeez. Well, here comes Grandpa combining with all four grandkids. I made it.
Push it all the way forward. Look at that. Now you're going. How fast
My Austin's bike. My bike.
Bike, okay.
Mom's bike.
Well, looks like you may have a little repair. What do you think?
Do you have my pickup here?
Well,
Yeah, that would be.
we might need a repair. Let's see.
I need to look in there. I think that none of the areas where these bolts are going to be are going to restrict anything. I think.
All right, it's tight enough. You can come out and give it another crank.
How's it going?
I'm doing it. 1.5 miles per hour. I think.
0.6.
You're combining corn, and you have Christian here to help you if you have any questions.
Yeah, I mean, he told me how to turn everything on.
Yeah, I think you'll be doing this on the side.
Side job here.
Yeah.
All right, there they go. And we think that Ben's gonna go solo. Look at Ben, taking a jump. There goes Andrew. Okay, guys. Good job.
What are you doing there?
Combining.
You're combining?
All right, guys. Did you guys get the mail? Thank you.
What are you doing?
Bye.
As we celebrate this wine from China, today we learned a great lesson in life. You reap what you sow. Cheers.
All right. What's everybody waiting for?
Nothing. Waffle, waffle.
Are you guys eating bacon?
Yes.
Yeah. Are you eating bacon?
Everybody loves
That is definitely a grandpa thing.
More?
I want more.
You want some more, will you?
He did not want to get off. He really liked his cousin. Here, time to get off.
There they go.
Oh.